Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to guide you the step by step on how to set up and use MetaMask mobile application, which is the most popular wallet for Ethereum and EVM compatible blockchains. So whether you are a crypto newbie or looking to explore DeFi, NFTs or dApps, this guide has you covered. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here in the search bar you need to simply search for MetaMask. Now once you search for MetaMask, you just have to simply tap on the install button right next to the MetaMask, and then you just have to wait for some time until the MetaMask application is installing in your device. Now once the installation is completed, you will see the interface of MetaMask that will look something like this. Over here, you need to simply click on the get started option, and then it will give you two different options to create your account and to log in into your account. Now, since you are a new user, you just have to simply click on the create a new wallet option, and now you need to provide your password. After that, you can enable the fingerprints if you want to, or if you don't want this option, you just have to turn this toggle button off. After that, you just have to tap on this I understand option and create a strong password for your account. Then MetaMask will generate a 12-word seed phrase for you. You need to write these words down on the paper, or you need to store them offline and never share them with anyone or store them digitally. You need to verify the order of your seed phrase to complete the setup. Now here is important thing. Your seed phrase is the only way to recover your wallet, and if you lose it, you lose access to your funds. So make sure you secure your seed phrase somewhere safe. Now let's say you have an existing wallet and you want to import it over here. So on the home page, you need to go back and you need to select the first option of import using the seed phrase. So after tapping on it, it will give you this option like here in the top. You will have to just provide your secret recovery phrase. It would be of a 12-word secret recovery phrase. So you need to type that in the exact order. You can even use this QR code scanner in the MetaMask in order to import your wallet directly from the desktop's extension. After that, you need to just provide your passcode or your password, and this way you will be able to recover your account. Now, once you have successfully created your account on MetaMask, the interface of your account will look something like this. Now, MetaMask supports the Ethereum by default, but if you will likely to need other networks like Arbitrum, BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain, or Optimism, here is how you can basically add them. You need to simply tap on this top section where you are seeing the Ethereum main network, and then you need to tap on the add network option. After that, you will be landed on this page where you will see all of the popular networks. So you can simply tap on the add right next to it and then tap on the confirm option, and you can even switch to that network, or you can even close it over here. So let's say you want to switch to that network. So as you can see that now it has switched the network for us. Now if you want to add a network manually, you just have to simply come to this page again. That was the add network, and here you need to provide the custom network. You need to provide the custom details like the network name, RPC URL, chain ID and currency symbol, and this way you will be able to add the custom network in your MetaMask account. Now let's just explore some other options over here. Like in MetaMask, you will see the portfolio option. So MetaMask portfolio basically helps you to track your assets across the multiple accounts and networks. So you just have to simply open the portfolio feature by tapping on the portfolio option in the wallet balance section, and then you need to just connect your MetaMask account with it. Once connected, you will see your total portfolio value, including the tokens, NFTs, and transaction history. You can even add multiple accounts, so you can tap on the add account option in order to track your assets across the multiple wallets. Now let's just go back on the home page. So this is our home page. Now let's just understand how you can deposit crypto into your MetaMask account. For this example, I'm going to switch to the Ethereum main network, and I will show you how you can basically add Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. So here you just have to simply switch to the Ethereum main network and tap on the Ethereum option. Over here you will be able to see this receive option, so you need to tap on receive, and this is your QR code and your deposit address, which you can copy from here. And then you need to just go to any centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. In your exchange account, you just have to simply choose the withdraw crypto and paste your MetaMask wallet address and select the correct network, which in my case is Ethereum. After that, you need to complete the withdrawal process. Now you need to always double check that the network that you have selected matches to the network in the MetaMask account of yours. Now I have created a detailed video on this process, so if you want to know that, you can check out the details on my channel, and I will also try to put that video link down in the description. Now if you don't want to use an exchange and you want to buy crypto in MetaMask directly, MetaMask gives you this option as well. You just have to simply tap on the buy button over here, and after that you just have to simply select what you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Ethereum, so you just have to simply select Ethereum, or you can even switch to any other coins of your choice. After that, you need to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase that coin. Then you just have to simply select the payment method. You will be able to see a bunch of different payment methods over here, so based on your convenience you just have to select any of these. Afterwards, you need to tap on the get quote option, and it will take some time in order to fetching the quotes. Then it will give you the provider's website, which will be a third-party services like the Transact and MoonPay. So you will have to create your account on these websites like on MoonPay and Transact, and after selecting your same payment method, you just have to conclude your payment. Now once your payment is done, you will get your crypto in your MetaMask account in no time. Now this option is convenient for small purchases, but it may have higher fees as compared to the exchanges, so do keep that in mind. Now MetaMask lets you interact with the dApps like Uniswap, Aave and OpenSea, and in order to access that, you need to tap on the in-browser option here, and over here you just have to simply enter the URL of the dApp that you want to use. After that, once you are on the official website, let's say you have entered Uniswap, so once you are on Uniswap, you need to tap on the connect wallet option and then choose MetaMask. After that, you just have to simply perform the actions in the dApp. For example, you want to swap the tokens on Uniswap by selecting the token, so you need to simply just pair that and enter the amount and conclude the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, you will be able to get your swapped crypto in your MetaMask account. Now, if you want to cash out your cryptos from the MetaMask account, you just have to simply come back on the home page, and here you will see all of your holdings. So you need to simply tap on that on the coin that you want to basically cash out. Over here you will be able to see the send option, so you need to tap on send, and once you tap on send, it will show you the interface that will look something like this, where in this to section you will have to paste the address at which you want to basically deposit it. So you need to select the correct network, and then you just have to simply tap the next button in the bottom. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to send and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you will be able to basically withdraw your crypto from your MetaMask account to the another exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, etc. Now you can even convert your crypto to the fiat currency. So in the exchange itself, you will be able to see the sell option. So you can sell your crypto for USD, EUR or your local currency. So you can withdraw the fiat to your bank account. Now here is a quick tip. You can use Ethereum or the stable coins like USDC in order to simplify the process and in order to reduce the gas fees. And here you have it. It is a complete guide on using MetaMask application. So these were some of the main things that you can do with the help of your MetaMask account. Now you can even change the settings. So you can tap on the settings option, and with the help of the settings, you can customize your MetaMask application according to your own convenience. Now I don't want to stretch this video, so I'm going to skip the settings section. But if you want me to create a detailed video on the settings section, you can do let me know that in the comments. So there you have it, a complete guide to using the MetaMask app, you are now ready to manage your crypto, explore dApps, and dive into the world of the DeFi and NFTs. So if you have found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto content, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.